Are these the cheapest Jordans we've ever seen? Ever? We got some Bacons at a price that pretty much everybody would like. Holy cow. Jordan 1 highs going for 80. Multiple colorways, 80. Yeah, that other one was mispriced. Yeah, these are 80. More Tech Fleece going for way cheap. Holy cow. Another trip to Santa Clarita. In this spot, you just never know what you're gonna find. We found all kinds of crazy steals last time in the women's section. Not seeing it today though. Seen some stuff, $50 for these mids right here. But we saw these comforts for hella cheap last time. Not seeing it today. These are going for 70. Flyknit booms, don't know what the hell these are. But yeah, they're going for $30 right there. This ain't bad. Infinity Run 4s for women. I think this is a wide. Yeah, that's a W for wide feet gang. Yeah, these are going for hella cheap. $40. These are 9.5 men's, 11 women's. Jordan 200s. These are size 12. 10.5 men. $15. $15 Jordans. Are you serious? $15. That's crazy. What are these? Some Vomeros? Pegasus 41 Nike by you. $40. Size 12.5 men's, 14 women's. 70 for these comforts right here. These are a 12 women's. These mids, these ain't bad. $60 for these SE mids. $40 for the Air Force One platforms. Still got some stuff here. Okay. Moving on to the size 10 in the men's. Well, 10, 10.5. Look at this Jordan 1 high OGs going for $80. Vegas Turbo Next Nature is going for $50. Might be the cheapest Zoom X you can find. Free Metcon 4 is going for $50. No luck finding Invincible Run Flyknits. Man, these are going for $80. Oh, the Invincible Run 3 Flyknits, that is. $80 for these. A little more than I want to spend. Jordan 2s. These Jordan 2s we've been finding for hella cheap at the regular outlets. They're going for $120 here. Holy cow. $80 for these bad boys. Remember I told you it's all about how long they've been at the current place. These just came in, so $160 for these. Air Max 1 OGs right here. They're down to $80. It's about time. I have a feeling these stores are getting slammed with product. They're getting all kinds of stuff. More and more. So I think the prices are going to come down a lot quicker. They're going to come down precipitously. We'll see. That's just my intuition. But yeah, $70 for these next gens. And I think that's like that with every outlet. That's why we saw the prices that we saw out at Watts. I heard East LA had deals like that as well. So definitely worth hitting Nike outlets as much as possible if you want the steals. I really want these eventually. The GT Jump 2s. I just grabbed a couple of basketball sneakers, but I might have to get these eventually. Price a little bit high, $160. These look dope though. I like this one. Yeah, I picked up my LeBrons for what, 40 something dollars, 70 here. Cosmic Unities go for 50. These are down to 40 now. The Zion 3's down to $40. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Finally. Is this glow in the dark? I don't know, but finally $40. That's what's up. When did that get priced down? I just got priced down. Okay. Oh, last week, damn. Cosmic Unity right here go for 50. These still go for 50. What the hell? GT Cut 3s go for 80. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here, 110 for these. GT Cut Academies go for 40. That's a very solid price. GT Jump 2s right here in a size 10. I really wish I grabbed these for 40. I wasn't hooping back then because I was having all kinds of back issues. Damn, dude. These aren't the 2s. These are the 3s, aren't they? These are the 3s. These are the 3s. Oh, damn. Okay, I thought these were the 3s. I think it's in the wrong box. Yep, but yeah, still 80 though. Still way too much. In the size 10 section, not that many basketball shoes. They just got a few Jordans, $150 for the golf right there. Seen these in a bunch of sizes. Also see these 21s. They're still going for 70 though. These Zions right here also priced down to $40. Got the Zion 2s. I got the Zion 1s. Should I get one of the Zion 3s? AJKO is going for 100. Air Max 1s. Tennis ball colorway, $80. Some would call that Volt, I guess. The Gamma Trail 2 is going for 80. Still tons of Clipper gear and Lakers gear. Still got Lakers gear. And are the Lakers 3-0? They really 3-0? Holy cow. The time I am filming this, they are 3-0, which is kind of crazy. These are going for $50. LeBron James. I do need small jerseys, man. All my jerseys are mediums and they're a little bit loose. They're not like huge, but they're a little bit loose. They got mediums for this purple jersey, and then they got smalls of the gold jerseys right here. They got these hoodies with that logo right there. These are going for 30, normally 80. These are pretty thin though. And they got these down here. These are pretty thin as well. These are going for 40. And $15 for these. It is purple, so they threw it right next to the Lakers stuff. And then dude got the Kawhi load management Leonard jerseys right here. XL, $40. They have different sizes. Yeah, they got small, they got XLs. They got sizes in between? No, but they got double XL. See double XLs of the blue ones right here, 110 down to 40. I see double XL. I see XL. I do see at least one XL. I see mediums. Okay, so more sizes than the blue ones. Los Angeles hoodies going for 25. They got a few of these Laker shorts right here too. They're hella thin though. They're the dry fit, super thin gentleman's club shorts right there, going for 40. Originally 90 though. And then of course got to keep an eye on Tech Fleece. See what's going on with the Tech Fleece prices. Yeah, these hoodies are actually pullovers. Pullovers going for $60. These crunchy ones go for 60. I heard these are pretty warm, but I don't like the way they feel. You got the newer pullovers going for 50, but I just see small. Yeah, just smalls. Oh, there's a medium in the back, go for 50. Got some gray jackets right here. 155 down to 60. Small and extra small only though. $80 for these. These go for 80. These are going for 80. Light blue ones right here. Is this light blue? Grayish? I don't know. Go for 80. Deep blue one right here. That I see a large. I don't see any price tags. Here's a price tag, 80 for those. 145 down to 80. The green glow ones, we saw these for hella cheap a while back, but they're back to $80. We saw these for 40 a while back. They have a bunch of the matching pants here as well. 60, 60. And the red ones, these are down to 30. The red ones have been 30 for a while. This one's priced at 60, but I saw a 30 tag right here. Maybe that's just the 4X. Is that just for the 4X? Maybe, yeah, this one shows 60 right there. Got some of the regular sweats right here, down to 25. These are the super thick sweats. I know these don't go for cheap. Yeah, $50, normally $100. More Tech Fleece just sprinkled throughout, going for $50. That's a tough color to match though. This is the one with the snaps, the buttons on the bottom. Still Tech Fleece though. Tech Fleece, and kind of a wider cut, no elastic on the bottom. $50. These are normally like 110. Some cargo pants right here, extra small though, $40. Got them in this color as well. Not SB though, not SB. Do got another one. What's this? A 30-30, which is my size. That is $40 though. All right, checking out some of the smaller sizes. I think this is what, 9? Oh, 8.5. Let's go to 9. I think I went a month and a half without missing a video. I did miss one yesterday. I got a couple comments, people saying, hey, what's up? Man, work's been busy, man. Work's been busy. I think I'm gonna work 70 hours this upcoming week. I might even work more than next week, so we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully I can continue to put up these videos. I spend about 20 hours a week making these videos, so y'all can imagine my work week. And I gotta hang out with my kid, take him to places and stuff, so life gets pretty freaking busy, dude. Pretty busy. Look at this. Look at this. Airships, $70 for these airships. Definitely worth that price. Holy cow. These are normally like, what, 140? So yeah, man. 50% off. Got these in a bunch of different colorways. And then apparently got a ton of the social status penny 2s right here. Going for 60. These offlines, what these going for? Offline 3.0s going for 50. I'm so curious about all the LeBron colorways because I got mine for 40 something. $100 right here. And oh, I see some bacons. See some bacons right here. What they talking about? What they talking about? $70. That is definitely a great price. That's how much I paid for mine. Seen these for $25 at East LA. Holy cow, I can't believe they're asking for 120. We see these cheaper at the retail shops. Going for 90 here. 6 rings go for 80. Let's see what's up with these Vomeros. Go for 80. 9.5. See these things right here. Y'all know they're the ambush dunk highs. 150 though. 150. Material's just super nice. The color's just hella bright. Does come with some black laces. 150 too high though. Jumping down to the size 8s. They must have gotten a bunch of these because I've seen these in a few sizes now. 120 for the comforts right here. More AJKOs, 110. Damn, these GT jumps have been here for a couple months now. Still $80. Jordan 6 Golf right here, all suede. And got some cement on it. Go for 180. These Zions still go for 80, so it depends on the colorway. Next gens up top, still going for 80. KD4s down here, 110. Oh, KD3s, my bad, 110 for those. Yeah, man, still haven't seen these for under 80 unless they're an extended size. Dang it. All about buying stuff off season. So looking for shorts when people are looking for winter clothes. What's up with these right here? These are thick. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. So nice and thick. Colors, okay. Colors okay, but what's the price though? What's the price? This is a large, $30, not bad. Does have pockets and stuff, which is nice. And then got Tech Fleece shorts. What they talk about for Tech Fleece shorts? $40, that's not bad. Some of these colors are just a little tough. $30 down from 70. But that's kind of why they're at the clearance store, right? Because it's not moving. $25 for those. Like, look at this color, dude. What the hell? What the hell can you wear with this color, dude? Bright as hell, man. 25 for those. Man, these colors are just awful. We got big old poofy jackets, 200 down to $79.99. See a large. I see an XL. See mediums. Okay. I see mediums. All right, so we got several sizes here. We got one lonely red one right here, double XL, no tag on it. I can see it's been ripped off. Heavy duty hoodies right here, $50 down from 90. These are just hella thick, super nice. They still got these budget backpacks right here, $20 for the budget backpacks. Is this a lunch thing? Is this for lunch? What the hell is this for? I think so. $10 for this thing. Fanny pack right here, $10. Oh, they still got the PSG jerseys right here, going for $30. This one's $30. This is a medium. And then they got the other ones right here. I don't know if this is a newer one, if that's an older one, I don't know. But $40 for these. And then size is definitely gonna vary. They got large. And then they got just double XLs. No, they got large for these, so they got different sizes. $40 for the Angel City FC ones, a few different sizes. All right, let's finish out the men's clearance section right here. $100 for these in a size 11. Weren't these going for $7.9 everywhere else? Air Force One collab right here. This is 11.5 off-white collab going for $160. The LeBron 20 still going for $2, which is freaking crazy. Lucas still going for $60. Zoom Freaks, I think every colorway down to $40. Seen these Jordan 1 Low Golf in a bunch of different sizes. What are these? Jordan 1 Low Golf. These are size 7 in the wrong section right here. These are going for 120. GT cuts. GT cut 3s, 80 bucks. Got some mids right here, going for 60. Jordan 1 highs, going for 80. Multiple colorways, 80. Yeah, that other one was mispriced. Yeah, these are 80. Size 12 Tatum's, going for 60. Jordan 1 low cleats, going for 70. Got a couple different ones right here. All black though. Okay. 70 bucks, not bad, because I think these go for 140 normally. Alpha Menace cleats with the pretty dope box. These are some elites going for 100. 80 Trade 511s going for 40, which is a decent price, but we saw them go for even cheaper. Jordan 37 lows go for 80. 160 for these. I just saw these go for like 40 something at Watts. Safari colorway of the Invincible Run 3. Flyknits right here, 100 bucks. 100 bucks. I think that's decent, I guess. Yeah, because these are going for 80 and those are a little bit more. These twos go for, everybody's had these for hella cheap, $90 more than the regular outlets. These twos here as well. Yeah, got these every colorway, dude. Every colorway. These in every freaking size. Air Max pre-days, haven't seen these in a while, go for 60. Infinity Run 4s right here. I don't think this colorway moved that great. The Safari pack. We've seen a bunch of them here, go for 80. Pro Strongs right here, go for 70. 110 for the golf. Jordan 1 golf, that is. They do have some Jordans behind the back wall right there. I think they got a grade school of the Kobe's as well, but they got the Jordan 1 True Blues. Those are going for freaking 150. And then the Green Glow 3s, those are going for 160, so not even a great discount on those. The quote-unquote heat wall right now, definitely not worth it. They got a ton of t-shirts. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7 racks of just t-shirts. And then constant reminders that all sales are finally here because it is a clearance store. Did work all day. I was able to wear shorts though, which is kind of cool to wear to work. But yeah, I did throw on these bad boys right here. I wear this with my Lakers gear. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. I grabbed these for what, $30? $32 I think, 32 bucks. 40, 20% off if I remember. And then I did work all day, so I did throw on some Lakers shorts, miscellaneous Lakers shorts. I think I grabbed these for like 20 bucks, something like that. And then did wear a t-shirt. Love wearing shorts and t-shirt to work. Yo, they got Tech Fleece for $40. Holy cow, $40 for these army green Tech Fleece? Like, can I wear it? Like, what do I have to wear with this? What do I have to wear with this? I got the camo 3s. I could wear that with this. What else can I wear it with? Damn, $40? I have the University Blue colorway of this Tech Fleece right here. So I'm thinking about it. $39.99. They got medium, they got smalls, and I think that's it. All the large, extra large resellers grabbed all those. I don't blame them. That's just too cheap. I'm still thinking about it. All right, 10-hour shift. Then did come check this store out for you guys. I'm gonna go home, dude. I'm tired, man. Go watch some sports or something. Edit some videos. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys help your boy press that like button. Do all that good stuff. And we out, man. We out. Hopefully I can get you guys plenty of videos this upcoming week. Hopefully. We'll see. We'll see, man. Working 70 hours, man.